a diesel have you got? Have a look around here for a bit.
Yeah, there's no rush. Hello again, so this is part 4 now. We are in Abingdon, where we stopped off 2 weeks ago. And today we're finally getting to a city, we're getting to Oxford. So I've brought my trusty advisor Keneally over again.
Not as a navigator.
Not as navigator, no. I mean, we got lost for about 20 minutes just trying to find the start of the Thames Path. Have a little look around the gardens. Yeah, we're going to start now, about midday, so we've got enough light. Let's do it. Good start. Oh, my laces are undone already. Not a good start. We should have just come under here. That would have been far easier. Oh, finally we know where we're going. Navigation has not been my strong point recently. We're on the road. We're on the way. On my way.
I did mention to her before.
Cool. So next place is Lower Radley, apparently. It's a bit cloudy today, to be fair. So we might be expecting some rain. Hopefully not. Because every other video that I've done, it's been beautiful sunshine, but maybe it's the first. We shall see. It says it's going to be dry, so we'll see. The Thames is 125 miles long. I read more than that, 184.
We walked about, yeah, I've read more than that as well.
Another day, another lock. Up this way. What did you say? Very Red Dead?
Yeah, very Red Dead. You can imagine fighting a crocodile down there at the little grassland.
Mate, I swear everything around here just wants to sting us. Get all these nettles. Joe swallowed a fly, swallowed a fly, swallowed a fly. We have a Eunice obstacle. The remains of Storm Eunice. Shit, the bed. Camera nearly fell off there.
There's a little path that you can go around.
So much woodland around here. Yeah. Lots of woods. Very meadowy. Is that a word? Meadowy?
I would like to reach out my hand. Oh, me say oh, me tell you to run. On my way. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up with golden hand. Oh, me say oh, me tell you to run. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, how we will cry. I would like to hold my little hand. How we will run, how we will cry. Send me in my way, send me in my way, send me in my way, send me on my way. Send me on my way, send me on my way, send me on my way. Nobody say, nobody on. Well, pick me up where golden.
So we're now 1 mile from Sandford Lock. Should be about a third of the way, I reckon. Field a cow. Yeah, this stretch has been really long.
It's tough.
I think we're near. I think this is Sandford Lock though. So we cross this bridge, I think. This is pretty cool though.
Doesn't actually say the name. Not on the sign.
Wow, we're in the right place. So this is Sandford we're in now.
Pretty sure we just stay on the same side from
Yeah, I think you do actually.
on the map.
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon. Cool, let's stop here for some food. So we're leaving Sandford Lock now, and the next one I think is Iffley Lock. So I believe. Yeah. It's nice. It feels well earned now. Yeah, now the river's opening up a bit more. It does feel
Yeah.
a bit easier.
Lovely one.
Yeah, it's the first opening we've seen in a while. That was quite a tough stretch. It's nice to just actually see something different. Yeah, I think this is right because it would be signposted.
Not the prettiest bridge though, is it?
To be fair, we are moving into the city a bit more now, so we should expect it to be a bit more built up. Ah, it looks like the sun might finally be coming out today. Nice to see a bit of sunshine. Oh, that looks nice actually. Little cream tea. Lovely stuff. So yeah, as we're moving more into Kennington, it's becoming a lot more like we're on the outskirts of the city now.
Reach out my hand, oh me say, oh me tell you to run. On my way, nobody say, nobody
Right, so we're 2 miles away from Oxford, and in usual video fashion it was time to get a pint because we've worked pretty hard today, to be fair. So we've got another 2 miles to Oxford.
Yep. Smashed it today.
Yeah, we have. We've done really well today.
I know it is, yeah, that's mad.
Hot air balloon over there. Here now, much busier than we're normally used to. Lots of boats and lots of training. So we're coming up to Oxford now. Finally managed to get here. That last stretch was surprisingly small actually. Yeah, job well done I'd say.
His accent sounded fine to me. Take your hand, but it's no trick.
Gonna walk down to Christchurch Meadows while we're here. Be very rude not to.